Hello guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to do PowerPoint presentation. Very excellent and easy, saves lots of time. So let's go to ChatGPT. I've input this prompt, write a VBA code, that's Visual Basic Application Code, for 8 slides presentation on how to make money on TikTok. So ChatGPT is going to help us to generate this code, and then we take this code to the PowerPoint and then finish the work from there. I will hit enter to generate this code and give it a little time to generate. Okay, cool. Code is generated. I will just go up there and copy the code and then head to PowerPoint. Now on PowerPoint, I will need to paste this code in the Visual Basic application under the developer tab, but the developer tab is not on my menu bar. So if you don't have the developer tab on your menu bar, let me show you how you're going to enable that. If you click on File, you go to Options. Click on Options, and then you go to Customize Ribbon. You click on that, and then scroll down and see Developer. Click to select this developer and click OK. So after clicking OK, we go to the developer, and then we go to Visual Basic and click Visual Basic. On this Insert User Form, we click on the drop down and then click on Module so that we can paste our Visual Basic code in the module. I right click and paste the code and then click on Run. Now we have some presentation, but it's not looking that great. So we can still go on to make it look wow. I'll click on the first tab and then go to Designer. Then I see options on what I can use and the kind of designers I can use. So I select this first one for the first tab. And also I can change this for the remaining tabs. I'll go for this. And then I can go for this. So this slide is now created in just a few minutes without having to think too much. Now this is a slide on how to make money on TikTok. And you can see the introduction to TikTok, what is TikTok and why is it popular, and then understanding the platform and the key features using demographics, and then the content creation part of TikTok, the tips for creating engaging and original content, engaging your audience. So if you need to create even your TikTok video, you can contact me. I will create a TikTok video on any topic you want and then give it to you to present. The first 20 people to comment and to like this video, I will do presentations for you free of charge. Thank you.